Hey guys, welcome back. We will continue with intermediate algorithm scripting, and today we're going to solve search and replace. Okay, let's get started right away. I'm just going to make this right side bigger so I can write code more comfortably. Now, we need to perform a search and replace on the sentence using the arguments provided and return the new sentence. Okay, first argument is the sentence to perform the search and replace on. Okay, it is the string here. The second is the word we will be replacing, so before. And the second argument, the argument is what you will be replacing the second argument with after. Okay, so we want to find this word in the string and replace it with after. That's pretty easy with the replace method in the string, but there's something which makes it a bit more tricky because we need to preserve the case of the first character in the original word when you are replacing it. So if we mean to replace the word book, uppercase B, with the word dog, with lowercase d, it should be replaced as dog. Okay, so let's get started with it. The first thing we want to do is we want to change the case of the first letter in after so it is the same as before. Okay, so we need to check if before has the first case the first letter uppercase or lowercase. To check if the first letter in before is uppercase, we do something like this. Put an if condition, and let's access the first letter, which will be the string with index 0. And if it is uppercase, it should do something which we can check it like this: before 0 dot to uppercase. So what this does is it converts the first letter into uppercase, and we want to check it with the first letter before converting it. If this is true, it means that the first letter of before is uppercase. Okay, so if the first letter of before is uppercase, we want to make the first letter of after uppercase as well. So after is going to be, let's take the first letter after at index 0 dot to uppercase, and then we're going to edit the rest of the after string. So after dot slice starting from 1. Okay, so starting from 1 till the end. This is the case when the first letter in before is uppercase. Okay, and else should cover the cases where the first letter in before is lowercase. So we want to make sure also that after is lowercase. After 0, now we're going to do the opposite, 2 lowercase plus after dot slice 1, starting from 1 till the end. Okay, let's do a test now. I want to console log after. As you can see, it stayed the same leap because jumped was uppercase. Let's do this. Okay, so if you do this uppercase, then leap becomes uppercase. This is exactly what we want in this case. So I think this was the tricky part. Now we can just use the replace method in the string. I'm just going to do a replace, and I'm going to give the string I want to replace before with after. Okay, let's remove this console log, and I think this one should do it. Let's run it. Yeah, perfect. Okay, I think that's it for this video. I'm going to, as I mentioned, I'm going to keep one exercise per video. In the next one, we will continue with DNA pairing. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.